Hey guys, what's up? Here is Reina with OnlineCarstereo.com. Come follow me. Listen to every game with JL Audio. OnlineCarstereo.com has JL Audio on promo. 10% off all amplifiers and subwoofers. Don't wait, promo will last all September. Let's go to the studio and check out our JL Audio amplifiers. Here we have a JL Audio XD1000/5V2. It's a 5-channel Class D amplifier. The regular price is $899. Today it's only for $809. Click the link in the description to see more. So swing by and catch a home run on JL Audio deals only at OnlineCarstereo.com.